What up guys, RealTouchGML here, back with another Notepad programming tutorial. Today we are going to be learning how to get input from a user and then test that input, and if it has like a value of say 1, then do this. If it has a value of 2, then it'll do this. So what I'm gonna do first is just put in the add echo off, and I'm just gonna set a variable input. I'm going to equal it to select 1 or 2, and then I'm going to pause it. So even just by doing that, as you can see, when you select 1 or 2, you're now able to put in numbers, and nothing happens, of course, because we didn't want it to happen. So now whatever they type in will be into this variable input. So now we're going to put in an if statement. If %input percent equals, now we do the double equal because that's testing if it equals. If we just put one equal, that would set the value. If we put equal, that will test the value that it's at. So if it equals 1, we're going to go to game. If %input percent equals 2, we're going to exit. And then let's go ahead and make a game class, and we'll just echo out, this is the game. And then we can pause that. So what we've done here is if input equals 1, so if you type in 1, it'll go to the game. If input 2, if you type in 2, it'll exit out. And then this is just the game class. So now if we go ahead and play it, enter 1 or 2. If we enter 1, this is the game. If say we enter 2, it exits right out. So there's a little problem with this. Say we type in 4, press any key to continue, this is the game. Whoa, we don't want that, because if we don't, we have the option of 1 or 2, and if you put in 4 or 5 or whatever, that's not an option, it will just ignore that, and then it'll keep going through the rest. So what you can do here is you can type in echo %input percent is not valid, or whatever you'd like to put, is not valid. And then it's going to go to, and then we'll put start, and I will create a class called start right up here. Now if we go ahead and test that out, see, 1 works still, okay, 2 works. Now if we put in say 5, 5 is not valid, and then you can see it says right here, select 1 or 2. Now we don't really want a lot of because look at that, that brings up a lot of space. So what we're gonna do is at the beginning of start, we're gonna put CLS. Now CLS just pretty much means clear the screen completely, and I'm gonna take out this pause here. But that pretty much just clears the screen completely. So if we go ahead and test it out now, select 1 or 2, say we select 5, as you can see, doesn't even go. But you see, we didn't get this percent is not valid, so we have to go ahead and pause it after we type that out. Go and play it now. We type in like 8. 8 is not valid. Press any key to continue. We get a blank screen. Select 1 or 2. If we select 1, this is the game. So that was pretty much it. Go ahead and leave a like if you like this. Go ahead and subscribe if you like my tutorials. And next tutorial, you'll be going into making an actual game. So yeah, hope you guys liked it. Go ahead and leave a like. Go ahead and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time.